Students, in this video we are going to see the topic externalities. First, we will see what is externality. Externality may be defined as the cost or benefit imposed by the consumption and production activities of the individuals on the rest of the society, not directly involved in those activities and towards which no payment is made. So, externality refers to the direct advantages or disadvantages created by various consumption and production activities of the individuals on the rest of the society. So the rest of the society may not be paid for that. They may enjoy some benefits out of the consumption activities of other persons. They may enjoy the benefits out of production activities of other persons, but they are not directly involved in the consumption and production activities, but they will enjoy some benefits. In the same way, there will be also adverse effect to the rest of the society by consumptions and production activities by individuals. Those benefits and adverse effects on the rest of the societies are called externalities. There are two types of externalities. The one is positive externalities and the other one is negative externalities. So externalities can be arisen from both production activities and consumption activities. In production activities there are positive and negative externalities. In consumption activities there are positive and negative externalities. You can see in this chart. So externalities can be arise from both consumption and production activities. In consumption activities there are positive externalities and negative externalities. In production activities there are positive externalities and negative externalities. Now we will see the examples for the both positive and negative externalities. First we will see the positive externalities arise out of consumption activities. For example, you can take CCTV cameras. In your neighborhood, suppose if your neighbor is fixing a camera for his safety, a CCTV camera in his house entrance, for his safety, for monitoring his house entrance, he is fixing a CCTV camera. The residents around that particular persons will also enjoy the benefit out of the CCTV camera, who are all crossing the roads. Everything will be monitored by the CCTV camera installed by that particular individual. The benefit will be utilized by all the residents in the particular area. All the residents in the particular area did not pay anything for that. The whole amount is spent by the particular individual who fixed the camera in his house entrance. But the whole benefit is distributed to the rest of the residents in the particular area. So this is a benefit, this is an externality, this is a positive externality arise out of consumption of CCTV. A particular person is consuming CCTV camera, fixing CCTV camera in his house, out of which the rest of the society is enjoying safety. The whole area is being monitored. All the residents in the area are enjoying the benefit out of it. So this is an example for positive consumption externality. And now we will see negative consumption externality. Smoking. Suppose an individual is consuming a cigarette. It will give utility to him, for his utility, for his benefit, for his satisfaction, he is smoking. But the persons around him may be driven to passive smoking. They will be facing hardship out of smoking. So this is an example for negative externality. The other persons who are not consuming, who are not paying, who are not directly involving in smoking are affected by the consumption of cigarette by an individual. So this is an example for negative consumption externality. Next, what are the externalities out of production activities? Suppose in a organization a training is being given on a particular software or particular usage of an equipment. For that training, what will happen? The particular employee, suppose the particular employee is left the job and joining other company. The other company will enjoy the benefit of training given by the previous company, because the other company need not train the employee again. So the benefit of training given by the previous company will be enjoyed by the other companies, future companies. So this is an example for production positive externalities. So this is a famous one, negative externalities out of production activities. The pollution created by production activities, water pollution, air pollution, and other all kinds of pollution emissions out of production activities in factories and other production units. So these are the examples for both production and consumption externalities. Now we will see what are the fiscal measures the government can take in order to control positive and negative externalities. So in order to encourage organization, in order to increase the positive externalities, the government can give subsidies for positive externalities. For example, for installation of solar panels, for installation of solar units, the government is giving subsidies for everyone. So this is an example for creating positive externalities, supporting positive externalities. The government can encourage positive externalities by giving subsidies to the people. The people will do more activities, consume more activities, produce more activities, which will provide positive externalities. In the same way, the government can increase the taxation, the government can put penalty, the government can put taxes on the activities which are producing negative externalities. So in this way, the government can control positive and negative externality through fiscal measures. The other measures, now we discuss about fiscal measures. Subsidies and taxes are coming under fiscal policy. Now we are going to see the other policy measures the government can take. Okay, the first measure is command and control method. In this method, the government can order, the government can pass laws to restrict activities, consumption and production activities which are producing negative externalities. And the other measure is capping and trading of pollution rights. For example, in US, they will give some rights to industries. Okay, only this much of amount, this much of emission you can do, this much of pollution you can do, beyond which you cannot pollute the environment, beyond which you cannot emit any smoke in the atmosphere. Like that, they will give some rights. The government itself gives some rights to each business units. So what the business unit will do, there is a provision in the law in US. What the business unit will do, they will if they are not emitting up to the quota given by the government, they will sell the remaining portion of the quota to the other business units. The other business units will buy the quota from the companies which have not utilized the full quota. They will buy that emission limit, and they will emit up to the quota. After what they have purchased from other units, they can emit up to the quota that they have purchased from other units. In this way also, the government can restrict positive and negative externalities. I hope you have understood all the concepts. This video we discussed definition of externalities, classification of externalities, and both fiscal and other measures that can control externalities in a particular nation. Thank you.